Hey there, fellas. I'm super excited to share some awesome tips on how to make straight hair wavy effortlessly. The only tips you will ever need. Whether you've got a special event, a hot date, or just want to switch up your style, this tutorial is for you. I'm your go-to expert, and I'm here to help you achieve those perfect waves in no time. Let's dive right in. Well, the key here is to use the right tools and techniques to transform those locks. Now, before we begin, make sure your hair is clean and dry. Let's get started. Prepping your hair. The first step is to prep your hair. Start by applying a heat protectant spray evenly throughout your mane. This little hero shields your hair from damage caused by hot styling tools, like curling irons or straighteners. It's a must-have, guys. Use a curling wand. Next up, grab a trusty curling wand. Choose one with a barrel size that matches the wave pattern you desire. For looser waves, opt for a larger barrel, and for tighter waves, go with a smaller one. Now take small sections of your hair and wrap them around the curling wand away from your face. Remember, no need to hold it too long, around 5-10 seconds should do the trick. Release, and there you have it. A beautiful wave forming right before your eyes. Twist and pin technique. If you're not a fan of curling wands or just want a more natural approach, the twist and pin technique is your go-to move. Start by taking small sections of your hair and twisting them tightly. Then use bobby pins to secure the twisted sections in place. Repeat this process all around your head and voila! Leave them in for an hour or so or overnight for a more defined wavy look. Sea salt spray for texture. For that laid-back beachy vibe, grab a sea salt spray and spritz it evenly through your hair. This magical potion adds texture and enhances those waves. Just scrunch your hair a bit to encourage the waves to form naturally. It's like bringing the ocean breeze right into your locks. Braiding for effortless waves. Here's another fantastic technique. Braiding. When your hair is damp, divide it into a few sections and braid each one. The number of braids will determine the size and style of your waves. Keep them in until your hair is dry, then undo the braids. You'll be amazed at the beautiful waves that emerge. Use a texturizing cream. If you prefer a more subtle approach, reach for a texturizing cream. It adds definition to your waves and gives a cool matte finish. Apply it evenly through your hair, starting from the roots to the tips. Scrunch your hair a bit, and there you have it. Easygoing waves without much effort. Embrace your natural waves. Now, fellas, remember that everyone's hair is unique, and your natural texture might have a wave hidden in there. Embrace it. If your hair has a bit of a natural wave, use products that enhance and define it. A light mousse or wave-enhancing spray can work wonders in bringing out those hidden waves. Sleeping on braids. You don't always need heat or products to get waves. Here's a pro tip. Before going to bed, braid your hair loosely. Sleep on it, and when you wake up, undo the braids. You'll have effortless soft waves that are perfect for that just rolled out of bed looking awesome vibe. Diffusing technique. If you're a fan of hairdryers, invest in a diffuser attachment. This nifty tool distributes heat evenly and gently to avoid frizz. Use it on low heat and low speed settings to dry your hair while scrunching it upwards. The result? Natural looking waves that are soft and voluminous. And there you have it, fellas. Various ways to make your straight hair wonderfully wavy. Experiment with these techniques to find the one that suits you best. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it's not perfect the first time around. Have fun with it and embrace those waves. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And hey, if you have any questions or other hair-related topics you'd like me to cover, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay awesome and keep on rocking those waves.